Exercise number 5.2. Question number 1. Following is the distribution of the size of certain farms from a taluka tehsil. Find median size of farms. Solution. We have to find median size of farms. Therefore, by using steps to calculate median, prepare a table containing 3 columns. Write in first column given class intervals, that is size of farm in acres. In second column, frequencies corresponding to class intervals, that is number of farms Fi. And in third column, cumulative frequency of less than type. Now, we have given size of farms in acres, which are 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65 and 65 to 75. Now, number of farms, that is Fi, given are 7, 12, 17, 25, 31, 5 and 3. Now, let us find cumulative frequency of less than type. Therefore, cumulative frequency of class 5 to 15 is 7. The cumulative frequency of class 15 to 25 is 7 plus 12, which is 19. The cumulative frequency of class 25 to 35 is 19 plus 17, which is 36. The cumulative frequency of class 35 to 45 is 36 plus 25, which is 61. The cumulative frequency of class 45 to 55 is 61 plus 31, which is 92. The cumulative frequency of class 55 to 65 is 92 plus 5, which is 97. The cumulative frequency of class 65 to 75 is 97 plus 3, which is 100. To find total frequency, that is summation of Fi, is equal to n. We have summation of Fi is equal to 7 plus 12 plus 17 plus 25 plus 31 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 100. Therefore, total frequency summation of Fi is equal to n is equal to 100. Now, to calculate n by 2, put value of n, we get n by 2 is equal to 100 by 2, which is 50. Cumulative frequency less than type, which is just greater than 50, is 61. Therefore, corresponding class 35 to 45 is median class. Now, calculate the value of median by using the formula median is equal to L plus in bracket n by 2 minus CF bracket complete into H divided by F. Now, putting values of L, CF, H and F, we get, that is L, where lower boundary of median class is 35, CF, that is cumulative frequency of the class preceding median class, is 36, H, that is width of median class, is equal to 45 minus 35, which is 10, and F, that is frequency of median class, is 25. Therefore, median is equal to 35 plus in bracket 50 minus 36 bracket complete into 10 divided by 25. Therefore, median is equal to 35 plus in bracket 14 into 0.4 bracket complete. Therefore, median is equal to 35 plus 5.60. Thus, median is equal to 40.60. Hence, the median size of farms is 40.60 acres.